The most underrated device in Apple's entire history is about to receive the most illegal upgrade we have ever seen. For years, the iPad mini was the forgotten middle child. It was the device Apple updated only when they felt like it. It was the jelly-scrolling, 60 Hz LCD wearing tablet that people loved despite its flaws. But today, in 2026, everything you thought you knew about the small iPad is being erased. If you're watching this right now, you're likely one of two people. You either own an iPad mini and you've been waiting for a reason to finally upgrade, or you're looking at the massive iPad Pros and thinking, I just want that power in a size that actually fits in my life. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Well, the leaks from the supply chain in Taiwan and the internal testing reports out of Cupertino have just confirmed a nightmare for the competition. Apple isn't just making a new iPad mini. They are making a Nano Pro. In this video, we are breaking down the three major pillars that make the M5 Mini the most dangerous tablet on the market. We're talking about the death of the LCD and the controversial shift to OLED. We're talking about the M5 Silicon, a chip so powerful it literally shouldn't be in a chassis this small. And finally, we're addressing the waterproof leak that suggests Apple is about to change how we use tablets forever. If you are planning on buying any tablet in 2026, you cannot afford to skip a single minute of this. Because the iPad mini M5 isn't just a refresh, it's a revolution in your pocket. Let's start with the heart of the beast. Why are we calling this the M5 Mini? Traditionally, the Mini used A-series chips, the iPhone chips. But the 2026 roadmap has shifted. With the explosion of local Apple intelligence and the demand for AAA gaming on the go, the A-series can no longer keep up with the thermal and processing demands of a Pro-level tablet. The M5 chip, which just debuted in the MacBook Pro and Mac Mini earlier this year, is a monster. Built on the second-generation 2nm process from TSMC, it features what Apple calls fusion architecture. This isn't just a marketing term. It's a hardware-level integration of the CPU, GPU, and a massive, redesigned neural engine. Think about what this means for a device that weighs less than a pound. You are holding the same processing power as a high-end creative laptop in the palm of one hand. We are seeing early benchmark leaks that suggest the M5 in the iPad mini will outperform the M2 iPad Pro by nearly 40%. It's not just fast, it's don't even have to think about fast. Whether you're editing 8K ProRes video in LumaFusion, rendering 3D models in Octane, or running a local LLM to summarize a 1,000-page document, the M5 Mini doesn't just do it, it laughs at it. But power is nothing without a way to see it. And this brings us to the biggest controversy of 2026, the display. For 5 years, iPad mini users have complained about jelly scrolling, that weird visual lag where one side of the screen moves faster than the other. Apple tried to fix it with software, but we all knew the truth. It was a hardware limitation of the LCD panel. The iPad mini M5 kills the LCD. According to reports from Samsung Display, Apple has placed a massive order for a new single-stack OLED panel specifically for an 8.5-inch device. Now, pay attention here, because there's a nuance. It's not the tandem OLED found in the $1,000 iPad Pro.